Welcome to Brisk Invoicing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional invoice in just 5 minutes. Before we begin, make sure you already have an account with Brisk Invoicing. If not, head over to www.briskinvoicing.com and sign up. It only takes a minute. From your dashboard, click Create New Invoice. Next, add your customer details. You can choose an existing customer or click Add New Customer to enter their name, email, and billing address. Now, set the invoice number, date, and due date. Then add your line items with quantity, description, unit price, and tax if applicable. You can also apply discounts or extra charges here. Include any payment instructions or terms. Then click Preview Invoice to review the layout, totals, and details before sending. When you're ready, you can save the invoice as a draft, download it as a PDF, or click Email Invoice to send it directly with a short message. And that's it. You've just created an invoice in under 5 minutes using Brisk Invoicing. Try it today and make your invoicing simple, fast, and professional.